Hi, I am Tanya Meisenbach, better known as Burn Beauty 2018, and I am an Instagram beauty influencer as well as an Amazon fashion influencer. What? How could that be? Well, you guys have requested it, so story time. So once upon a time, there was a beautiful realtor, and her name was Tanya. And she had lived a wonderful life, except she didn't know she was beautiful. She knew it, but she didn't know it. So one day, she and her husband were out, and they were having a sip of wine and sitting by the fire pit. And suddenly, she got some lighter fluid on her and caught fire. And she stayed in a coma for 2 months and almost died. And when she woke up, she couldn't look in the mirror. But after a couple of years, a friend of hers said, "Tanya, this is all in your mind. Your lack of confidence that causes you not to want to be seen in public." You are so right, my friend. It certainly is. And there she was. She had learned about beauty. Not about makeup, but she learned that if you see your own beauty, you'll allow others to see it as well. But you better know, when you start looking for it, start on the inside. I am Burn Beauty 2018.